So, afternoon good viewers. Today on this kind of dull and overcast kind of day, we are setting out to go and cycle the Devil's Highway. Yeah, it's not that, it's a Roman road. It's called the Devil's Highway. It runs between London, or what used to be called Londinium, and Calleva Atrebatum, which is a Roman town just to the south of Reading. So yeah, we're heading out on there. I'm going as far as a place called Crowthorne today, and that is just so that I can find out some more details about a proposed route down on the Three Castles route, which is another project that I'm working on at the moment. So yeah, I'll catch you in a minute. Yeah, so that's the Devil's Highway down there, and that heads all the way down into Crowthorne. So yeah, we're here at Swinley Forest. It's a little bit like Cannock Chase in Staffordshire, where you got lots and lots of mountain bike trails, cycle trails, pedestrian trails. It's forestry commission land, and it's really nice, even on a cloudy, horrible, rainy day like today. So the reason I've come here today is I've come to see how suitable the road is to go down this through the forest and down to Crowthorne, because it's part of the route that I need to take as part of the Three Castles path. I need to see if it is suitable for a road bike, or, as I'm on today, a mountain bike, in which case I'll divert and go somewhere else. But ideally I'd like to come through the forest, because, you know, I just like to stay off road. Going on roads around here is just dangerous, so yeah. Okay, so the Devil's Highway continues down there and goes down into Crowthorne, and it goes down a very steep hill. And my proposed route to go down into Crowthorne would involve going down that road there and then coming all the way back up the hill again. And I'm very much into reduction of effort. I don't see the reason of going down a hill and then having to go back up it again. So I found this path on the map, and this path here goes up here, and you can see by the tracks that it's well used by bikers. So I'm going to see if it's suitable for cycling up, but looking at that, I've got a fairly good suspicion it's going to be a walking route. But let's see, let's go and have a look. So looking at this, you kind of go, oh, have we come into the back of a prison? But no, this is the NHS Secure Mental Hospital Broadmoor, where the likes of the Moors murderer Ian Brady and the Yorkshire Ripper came. And some would say the Jack the Ripper came here as well. But one will never know about that one. That's right up to my axles. Right, so I've stopped for a spot of lunch in the Go Ape. So yeah, the verdict. Is this going to be suitable for a road bike? No, absolutely not suitable. I'm going to be pushing a lot through the woods. So there is an off-road route which kind of goes through the Bracknell housing estate, but it isn't very picturesque, so unfortunately that's the route I'm going to have to take, dear viewers. There is no other option. Well, there is an option. I could go on my bike packing route using a mountain bike, but then I wouldn't be able to cover the distances that I need to in the day, so it's one of those kind of like weighing up the odds kind of thing. But there we are. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you liked, there's no compulsion to do so if you don't want to. So I'm just making these videos for my own record, so if you like it, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe if you'd like to see more. If you don't, just click on through. Bye.